Sure.
So, hi, this is Vanita. Vanita from VSL. I'm the founder and director of VSL We Supporting Lives. In fact, if you ask about my journey, I never wanted to be a career woman. That was not my goal any point of time. I just wanted to be a homemaker, a family woman. But something happens at times. Life, gives us that kind of twist and turns that you are not prepared for. So something happened in my life where I had to मुझे choose करना पड़ा to make my own money. I had to start. I was already in my mid age, so I was not trained. There was no professional degree, nothing. I didn't know how to start, what to do, how to make my own money because I had two small children. My boys were very young. And at that point of time, I found there was a gap in preschool sector in Goa. Back then in the year 2004-5, there was no preschool culture present in Goa. So there were very few preschools, but they were not for general public, not for normal public. People, they couldn't afford that expensive kind of preschool. So there I started my first preschool from my home with 5 children, just 5 children. But I realized that there was actually a gap in the sector in Goa because within a year we got around 60 to 70 children enrolled in our school, which was we started from home, and within 3 to 4 years time we had multiple locations across Goa. Our team size also started growing, and the best part of our team or VSL is. That every woman you see today, you will see in this program, in this event award, you will see all the women getting awarded. All these women or girls are just the girl and women next door. We don't have any professional women or girl working with us. I just knocked on each and every door of those women who are stuck in their life the way I was stuck once. And that's how we built a team of almost 100 women or girls. And we have built this now. After preschool, we realized that there was teachers training. We were not getting trained teachers. So we also started our Montessori teachers training course and part-time course. So again, women are getting trained under that. We also started daycare center. So we can, the working moms, they can leave their children with us and they can go to their continue working. We also started with kids club, drama academy. So many verticals where we can cater to children and we can empower women. So mainly I would say the focus is empowering women and girls next door. And not only this, so it was going on well, going on good. We also started with our primary section, Mount Sidra, which after 4 years I had to, we handed over it to the company because it was a huge investment and I wanted to focus on my family as well. So that was the time I handed over the primary school to them, but we are still with not many verticals with preschool and kids and women. But during COVID, we all know what happened. All the schools, preschools, everything was shut. We were the first one to start online classes for small children. But the thing is, again, people were not prepared, not ready for online preschooling for small children. And that was the time only one sector was thriving. That was only one sector was working, and that was healthcare sector. So during that time, I really took a big leap, giant leap, and I entered in healthcare sector. We started our paramedical healthcare academy, one in Rajasthan, another one is Verna, where we are now training 10th and 12th pass students to become technicians in hospitals. So that is another one venture of our VSS. So we have lot many ventures. You will experience that fun and the joy. You will see that energy of this entire hall. You'll see those beautiful women who were somewhere once they were told that you are not good enough, you cannot do this, don't do this, and you will see how confident and smart they are today. They are so happy, happiest set of women what we are, a bunch of women we are today. And we are celebrating. Today is the day, 20 years back, today is the day we have kept the foundation of VSC, of Faba ESL, and so we are celebrating. This is our 20th running, and I'm very excited about it. I'm excited because we are set of women who were once told that you are not, you can't do anything, and we are here. Thank you. Anything else?
Yeah, how about this awards now? What inspired you to start these awards?
Okay. Okay, so Zenith Award, that idea came to our mind because we were like, every year during Teachers Day, we celebrate like with our team, with teachers, because it's a set of teachers. So since we were on our 20th year, I wanted to do something different, something exclusive. And I realized that in this process, in 20 years' time, we never got connected one towards the family members of our team members. And yes, award is one thing which it's motivates you, inspires you. So we used to award them during our annual gathering. But this particular Zenith Award, idea behind it is wanted to meet all those family members one-to-one, and also for their family members, and we wanted them to feel proud about their mom, their daughter, their sister, whoever is there who is getting awarded. So this is the first time that we have involved entire family members of our teammates. So the idea behind Zenith is we want their family members to feel pride. Somehow I feel still that preschool teachers are not getting the kind of respect and recognition they should be getting. Because I feel, and everybody will agree to it, teaching elder group of children is still easy. Teaching young children, 1.5 years old, जिसको बोलना भी नहीं आता है, from different background, they don't know any language, they come from different backgrounds, different economical backgrounds, different language, everything, eating habits. To work with these children is really tough, but people don't recognize it, they don't acknowledge it. For them, it's kind of अरे बच्चों को तो पढ़ाना है ABCD. It's not about ABCD. It's about everything, overall development of their child. And in a group of 20 to 25 children in one class with 1 or 2 teachers from different backgrounds. So it's really tough task. And that was the idea we wanted to acknowledge, because somewhere, yes, preschool teachers are not being given the kind of respect and recognition they should be getting. People think कि ठीक है preschool में पढ़ाती है, but no, they are doing the toughest job, one of the toughest job in this world. And apart from that, one more reason of the conduct of having this award was for them to take pride in themselves. I'm something. They still can't, somewhere they also feel very small about it. I want every woman to feel confident and smart about themselves. So that was the main idea of Zenith Award. We want them to receive awards in front of their children, in front of their parents, their family members. Anything else?
Anything else from your side? You must have skipped your side.
Yeah, that's what I'm just trying to connect to. One point came to my mind, I'm just thinking about it. So there was one more.
And then finally, you give an appeal.
Yeah.
Appeal to all your colleagues